welcome to this quick technical video on how to create information objects, attach hyperlinks to them or documents, and then attach them to processes. So for example, I've got this webinar process and I've got, it's a little mock process. I've got a salesperson and I would like him to host a webinar. Maybe that's me, maybe that's somebody on my team. But for this host webinar process, there's some documents and a website I would like to attach to it so that when it posts as a web model, those will be readily available for anybody who needs them, and they'll be the most up-to-date versions of the documents. So how would I do that? So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to right click and I'm going to create an information object. Saying I'm in information, so you can see this is the area for information objects. So I'm going to call this webinar documents. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to here to the hyperlink area, and if I click this little button, it's going to give me my local files, my local directories. I'm going to go webinar documents, and I'm going to go OK. And so now I've created the webinar documents, and I've brought a link to them into viflow. That's what that is right here. And so let's say there's an associated website as well. So I'm going to go new, and I'm going to go webinar website. And I can, as well, once again, I can go down here and I can go, let's say it's at viflow.ca//webinar. And I can do this as well. I can also attach hyperlinks this way to websites. I'm going to go OK. So now I have both of these information objects created. And if I want to attach them to this process so that as people use the web model, they'll be able to see the documents in this place, I'm going to just right click on here, go to properties, wait for that load up, go to information. And then I'm going to see both of these here. There's just checkboxes. I'm going to click both of them and I'm going to go to apply. And that's it. And now when the webinar or when the web model is published, these documents, these information objects will be attached to this process. And that's signified here by this little icon showing that there's documents attached. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful.